In this video lesson, I will show you what is US30 Lot Size Calculator. The link for this calculator will be below in the description, and you will have an article that explains a little bit more details about this calculator, how to calculate the lot size based on the risk, and also a number of pips set as a stop loss. Have in mind that there is one information very important, and that is that for the US30 the contract size should be checked with your broker. In this case, one lot is 1 unit, so 1 pip is equal to $0.01. I will show you a little bit more details about this later on. First of all, let me show you more details about this lot size calculator. Here you have first field set to instrument. You need to define which instrument you will use. I will use US30, but you can also change this to any other. Then you have here a deposit currency, which is set to US dollar because my trading account is set to US dollars. You can also change that currency to any other. Here it is field for the open price, and here it is for the stop loss price. These fields are used to check what is the difference between the open price and stop loss price, and that means what is the stop loss price in number of pips. If you would like to use field stop loss in the number of pips, simply change this one here, where you should enter just the number of pips instead using the open price and also stop loss price. I will use 100 pips as a stop loss. Then you have here the account balance. I have put here to $10,000 because my trading account is to $10,000. You can change that value to any other. Then you have here US30 1 pip size, which is 0.01. It tells you at which decimal point is 1 pip. When you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current market price is 34145.30. The 0, the second decimal point, when it changes to 1, it will mean that the price is changed by 1 pip. Then you have here a field for the risk in the percentage. You can change that to the deposit currency. Here you define how much risk are you willing to take with this trade, which is set to 100 pips stop loss based on your account balance. So this means I would like to risk $100 with this stop loss, which is equal to 100 pips. Click calculate, and you will get here a question mark that tells you that you need to define what is a lot equal in number of units, and that means a contract size. You need to check what is a contract size for this instrument on your trading platform with your broker on your trading account. You can go here inside the trading platform in the market watch, click right mouse button to the US30 and click specification. This will open a new window that tells you what is the contract size here in the number of units. So my contract size, which means is set to 1, that means one lot is equal to 1 unit. So you need to enter this number here. If your broker has any other informations, just put that number here, so you can calculate what is the lot size needed to open this trade. So here it is. I need to open a trade with stop loss equal to 100 pips, but I need to open a lot size equal to 100 lots. Let's open a new order, and I will open pending order, set volume to 100 lots, and I will open buy limit, which means I should open a trade here at the market price. For example, let's open at 34100. Then I will put a stop loss that will be equal to 100 pips, 34099, and the profit should be above, which means 34101. That is 100 pips. Click place, and here it is. Here is the trade. Let's lower here so we can see a stop loss here. The trade is visible here, so let's check what the stop loss is. Stop loss is set to minus 100 pips with the profit minus $100, and it is just as I have defined here with the lot size calculator. So you can see how to use the lot size calculator for the US30. You define what is the contract size, then you have defined what is the risk that you are willing to take on this trade, and what is the stop loss on your trade. Click calculate, and you get information how much lots you need to enter into the trade to be in line with this risk you are willing to take on this trade. If you have any questions regarding this lot size calculator, please leave a comment and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading!